Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Klarna on Amazon. So if you're not aware yet, Klarna actually offers us the capabilities of buying our items on Amazon, for example, and just paying it in for smaller interest-free payments. So that's really fun because it's buy now, pay later built for the application. So here in my screen, I have the steps on how to use Klarna at Amazon. So the first thing I want to do is you want to download the Klarna application and search for Amazon. So you need to search for Amazon on the home screen and start adding items to your cart. So once you've done that, you should go to your shopping cart, and after you added everything to your cart, go to the checkout page and tap the Pay with K button at the bottom of the application on your screen. And from here, you just need to pay. That's basically it. But if you're using your PC to use the Amazon application, or you're buying something from Amazon through your browser here, you could also do that. So here, you just need to download the browser extension for Klarna. So you could just search this on Google, just say a browser extension for Klarna, and just click on Add Klarna Now. So once you press this, you will be redirected into the Chrome Web Store, and just click on the Add Klarna Now here. And since I already installed this, it's already installed on my PC. So how do you access the Klarna extension here? So you want to click on the puzzle icon here, and here just choose Klarna. So here's the Klarna browser extension. So you just need to add your items, add your Amazon cart there, and just click on the Pay with K option here, and you'll be able to pay using your Klarna there. So that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.